Hi, my name is Sumedha. Welcome to 10 minutes of Power Yoga class. What we need today is just be mindful of your breath. Let's get started. Let's come into a child pose with the wide knees. Toes are touching each other. Walk the fingers away and let's bring your forehead down. Inhale all the way up, having an ujjayi breath. Exhale completely down. Inhale. Longer exhale. Let the shoulders be relaxed, let the forehead be relaxed. Melt even more down, letting go, surrender. Surrender what's not needed right now. Those 10 minutes are the minutes for you to connect deeper into your own layers of your pranic energy. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly walk your hands back, come on all fours. Fingertips planting down. Inhale, look up, chin up, chest up. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, look up, chin up, chest up. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale up. Exhale down. Come back to the neutral spine position, sending your right leg straight from the toes. Inhale, raise the left arm up. Inhale and exhale over there. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, tap. 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 Inhale, lift the hands and the toes. Exhale, tap. Hold the back of your foot. Kick the heels. And feel your shoulders, look back. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And then from there, inhale, raise the hands and the legs straight. Exhale, knees and the elbows. Inhale, straight arms, straight legs. Exhale, knees and elbows. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time, deep breath in, all the way, lifting your hands, lifting your leg. Exhale, C shape, curving your spine, bringing your elbows and the knees together. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. From there, straight your right leg, bring your left hand down, coming into a half side of a plank. Shifting the back of the heels a little bit like a T shape. Then bringing your body towards like a linear. Inhale, raise the right arm up. As you exhale, knees and the elbows. Same knees and the elbows, but the lateral side. Inhale, straight hands. Exhale, knees to the elbows. Inhale, straight hands. Exhale, knees to the elbows. Two more. Inhale, straight hands. Exhale, knees to the elbows. Inhale, straight. Exhale, crunch. Stay over there and slowly come back to a tabletop position. Planting your hands, taking a deep breath in and out. And then slowly shifting your weight, left leg straight, right arm straight. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, bend your knees down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale. This time inhale, a little bit more, legs up. As you exhale, hold the back of your foot. Kick the heels back. Peel your shoulders. Look back. Stay over there. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. As you inhale, raise the legs up. Raise the hands straight. And elbows to the knees. Inhale. Exhale, elbows to the knees. Inhale. Exhale, elbows to the knees. Inhale, straight hands, straight legs. Exhale, elbows to the knees. One more time. Inhale, raising your legs up, raising your left leg and the hands up. Exhale, squeeze your liver. Tuck. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And slowly place the hands down. Send the legs straight. Shift the leg to a T-shape. Inhale. Raise first of all the arms up, left arm up. As we exhale, side crunch. Inhale. Exhale, crunch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Stay, stay, stay. Hands come down. Press your palms. Lift the knees up to 1/2 inches. Inhale forward. Exhale. Go back as if your glutes are touching towards the hip. Inhale. Come back to the center. Exhale. Knees are still hovering on to the air. One more time. Inhale like a flat back. Exhale. From there, press your arms and slowly make your way to a downward facing dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, raise your right leg all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, bend your knees to the nose. And slowly drop your leg in between both of your hands. Inhale, raise your both arms up towards the sky, towards the ceiling, lifting the back of your heels even more up. Hands are more straight, coming a little bit more down, the knees and the ankles in one line. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And slowly send the right hand back, left hand straight, look back. Inhale, come back to a high crescent lunge. Exhale, twist. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Finding that balance, exhale to the twist, look back. One more time, inhale, raise both of the arms up. Exhale to the twist, 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 twist. Little more deeper twist, look back. Stay over there. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Place both of the hands down. Send the left, right leg back to a high plank, to a low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to a downward facing dog. Inhale, raise your left leg all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, knees to the nose. And slowly drop your leg in between both of your hands. Inhale, rise up, fingertips up towards the sky. Lift up, back of the heels are up. Sending the weight onto the back and the front equally. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And slowly sending your left arm back, right arm straight in the crescent lunge. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Exhale, twisted lunge. Inhale, raise both of the arms up. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, look back. Stay. Open your shoulders. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And then slowly drop your hands down. Send the left leg back. High plank, low plank, upward facing dog. To the downward facing dog. Look in between both of your hands, walk, jump or step in between both of your hands to a ragdoll, holding your opposite elbows, swing side to side. Fingertips down and slowly lift your weight, come back all the way up. Inhale, raise the fingertips up towards the sky. Rise up high, hold your left wrist as you exhale towards the stretch. Inhale, come back to the center. Hold the other arm. Exhale towards the side stretch. Inhale, come back to the center. Open your legs to hip width distance. Open up your arms, look back. And then slowly place your hands onto the back of the glutes. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, drop the head. Inhale, rise up your chest. Exhale, a little bit more deeper back bend. Feel that. Breathe in. Breathe out. Soft inhalation, soft exhalation. And very slowly, head down. Sending the head down, melting your hands onto the ground. Letting your neck to be relaxed. You can listen now, moving ears. Bending your knees, walking your legs towards you. Coming to a chair pose, Asana. Raising your fingertips up. Inhale, exhale, send the arms back. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, send the arms back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, raise the fingertips up. Exhale, send the fingertips back. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, send the fingertips back. This time we are bringing the heels up, rising up high, sitting it even more low, lifting the heels more up, sitting it even more, finding that balance, sending the arms more back. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, raise arms up towards the sky. Exhale, place the hands close to the heart. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, Asana with the hands in the heart position. Inhale, raise up, rise up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, simple sweep your arm. Exhale to the heart center. 2 more times. Inhale, raise the arms. Exhale. Inhale, raise both of the arms. Exhale, down. Stay over there. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Then shift your weight to the right leg. Very slowly, lift the left knees up. Knees are still together. And very softly, you are sending the leg back. Lifting the back of your heels up. Staying over there, finding the balance. And slowly place the leg back into a high pressing lunge. Inhale, raise both of the arms up. Exhale, hands are back, interlocking your fingers. Inhale, raise your chest up, look up. Exhale, palm angle crescent lunge, lifting the knuckles up. Stay over there, come even more down, breathe and breathe out. Dropping your hands down, sending the leg back, high plank, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, raise your left leg up towards the ceiling. Exhale, left leg in between both of your hands. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, send the right leg down, back to a forward fold. Placing your hands onto the calf muscles, coming even more deeper down. Breathing in, breathing out. And then bend your knees, coming to a chair pose. Inhale, raise the fingertips up towards the ceiling. Stay over there. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, send the arms back. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out, bring the hands towards the heart center. Inhale, rise up. Exhale. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the prayer. Inhale 2 more times, hands up. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, bend your knees. Stay over there. Breathe in, breathe out. Come even more down, shift the weight to the left side. Lift the knees up. Send the legs back. Rolling pose. Finding that balance, finding that energy. Then stepping your back as back as possible in this high crescent lunge kind of for legs. Inhale. Raise both of the arms up. Exhale. Hands are back. Lifting the knuckles. Knuckles are up, opening your shoulders, bringing the shoulders, and slowly as you exhale to the bow tummy. Dropping your forehead down, lifting the knuckles more up, trying to open up your knees. Stay over there. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And then slowly drop your hands down, send the left leg straight to high plank, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale to the downward facing dog. From the downward facing dog, bend your knees, bring your toes together, send the hands back, and completely rest. Breathing comes to the natural. Inhalation, exhalation. Slowly come back, eyes are still closed. Bring your hands towards the heart center. Let's try Asanas. Taking a deep breath in, all the way up to the crown of your head. Exhale. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your beautiful energies in this 10 minutes of your yoga vinyasa class. You guys take care. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching and sharing your beautiful energies with me. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date in all our new yoga and workout classes. See you. Thank you so much. Namaste.